Welcome back to a special edition at Laser Focus Solutions, and it's not very special at all, but anyway. So we're talking about pool filters today, and I mean pool filters meaning I live on a well, a lot of iron in the water. My house has a softener. My outside spigot does not. So when I went to fill up the pool for the first time in this home, the water was just unbelievably yellow, and so I researched it. Saw people using 5-gallon buckets, pillow, stuffing, and all kinds of madness. And I don't know, just figured I got an RV, I use a filter. Why don't I try using the filter on the pool? And I'll tell you what, man, she's pretty clean. I mean, minus the fact that I got some debris in there from whatever was on the inside the pool. I didn't bother cleaning the pool out because I honestly was expecting it to maybe not work, but it did. So get yourself down to Walmart, get you one of these here, and clean up on your pool.